That's a weird spot for an advertisement. It's nearly on the back side of this building. Let's see how much time we got left here. We just started a new video. So we'll try to ride around for another 10 minutes before we go back. So if you guys are watching this, please subscribe to my channel. I need another 555 subscribers. And honestly, then I could put some effort into this. And look at this. This happened the other day. See this car? This car was destroyed. And it happened from a facade that fell. Now, I don't know that for sure, but look at it. That's crazy. There was a couple more like that were here. And it has to be from this right here, I assume. I was hoping they were going to keep this, but I would say at this point, not going to happen. There's a coffee roaster right near here. Do it. Go. So yeah, they're taking advantage. They got the big heart going. So my favorite Budak place around my neighborhood, we're about to pass it. Oh, they're closed. Oh, okay. I didn't realize it was that late already. It closed at 2 p.m. This is a steep street. We're walking it. Well, if you guys know where I am, you know we're coming to the end of this ride. It wasn't much of a ride, but I had to get out, and I'm glad you guys came along with me. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe. Help me out, you guys. And I promise I'll make actual good videos. Unless you hate them and you say go back to making bad videos. Because I'm happy to do that too. Alright, you guys. Have an awesome day. Get it done. And see you next time.